Today I would like to introduce a new LED fog lamps. It has 3 brackets for Toyota and Universal. Now I'm showing Ford and Toyota fog lamps. This one is for Toyota car. As you can see, this original Toyota fog lamps. You can comparison with 2 products. If your fog lamp has same brackets, then this lamp can fit for your car. And this one is for Ford car. This is for original fog lamp. The brackets are same. If your original fog lamp says this, our fog lamps can fit for your car. The last one is universal lens. It has this bracket case. This bracket can be adjusted, and use this bracket you can install on motorcycle. Our fog lamps has 3 color temperature: 3000 K, lemon green, and 6000 K. Thank you for your attention.